Welcome to Teslahubs Interior Upgrade Kit Unpacking. We are currently reviewing the carbon kit. It consists of door plates and console plates. We include adhesion promoters for better installation results in both boxes. Let's start with door plates unwrapping. Every kit comes in a recyclable paper box to ensure the safety of the pieces. The interior kit comes up with removable glue tape on the flip side for better stickiness. Moving on to console plates. Take a look at this gorgeous carbon fiber. Get your interior update kit on Teslahubs.com. Thank you for watching.